My name is Samuel. I'm going to be your physics teacher for today, and our topic is going to be wave. So we'll be discussing wave today. This topic is very important for any student doing UTME or post-UTME or any O-level student or first 100 level student in the university. So our topic is just going to be what? Wave. Now the first thing that will come to your mind is that what is wave? So wave is just simply a disturbance that travels through a medium and transfers energy from one point to another without a permanent displacement of the medium. Let me write it out. Wave is a disturbance. Wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium. And transfer energy from one point to another without permanent displacement of the medium. So this is the correct definition of wave. Wave is simply a disturbance that travels through a medium and then transfer energy from one point to another without a permanent displacement of the medium itself. What does this mean? When you have a rubber, like a rubber band, then you strike the rubber, you see that a disturbance will travel through that rubber. The up and down movement of that rubber is the disturbance to travel through the what? Rubber. But it won't what? It won't push the rubber away. So the rubber will still be in its what? Position. It will still remain there. That's why they say that wave travels through a medium but without permanent displacement of the medium. So the movement, up and down movement due to the disturbance is the energy it transfers from one point or from one end to another. So now we have types of wave. Now wave can simply be classified into two categories, which one of them is medium. The other one is direction of wave. Propagation. So waves can be what? Classified into two categories, which the first one is medium and the second one is what? Direction of propagation of wave. But under the first classification, which is what? Medium, we have two types of wave under the first classification, which is what? Medium. So under medium, we have one classification which we call mechanical wave. And the other one we have is what? Electromagnetic wave. Now, what is mechanical wave? Mechanical wave is simply those waves that require a medium to propagate itself. So mechanical wave require a medium to what? Propagate. But electromagnetic wave does not require a medium to what? Propagate. So that's the two definitions of this wave. So mechanical require a medium to propagate, while electromagnetic wave does not require a medium to propagate. Example of mechanical wave, water wave. Water wave needs water to propagate itself on it. That is why we call it what? Water wave. Sound wave too need air to travel. So this wave, these two kind of waves fall under what? Mechanical wave. But electromagnetic wave is X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet rays. These rays falls under what? Magnetic wave. Now there's something common to magnetic wave. They travel at speed of light. They travel at speed of light. travel at speed of light, which is 3.08. So they all travel at speed of light. And what's the value of the speed of light? It is 3.0 times 10 raised power 8 meter per second. So now the other part we'll be discussing is classification of wave under direction of propagation. So if we are looking at classification of wave under direction of propagation, we have two types. Under direction of propagation, we have two types of wave. Under direction of propagation, we have two types of wave. One is called transverse wave. Now, transverse wave is a kind of wave that travels perpendicular in the direction of the what? Wave. This is a wave that propagates itself perpendicularly in the direction of the wave. Now, this is a wave that propagates itself in the direction of the wave or disturbance. So this propagates itself in the direction of the wave or disturbance. Now let me show you the grammatical example of transverse wave. Look at it here. This kind of wave is called what? A transverse wave, because it's moving what? Perpendicular in the direction of the wave. Now the other type of wave we have is called longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. So these two waves, transverse and longitudinal, are under direction of propagation classification of wave. So the second one is what? Longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. This is the kind of wave that travels parallel in the direction of the wave. Direction of the wave or disturbance. So now, longitudinal wave, this wave travels parallel in the direction of the wave or disturbance. What do I mean? Let's say your string. Now use this as example. Let's say string. This is how string is. Are we together? So this is a wave. Now this moves what? Parallel. It's in a straight line. It's not like the other what? It's not like the other transverse wave that is like this perpendicular, but this is what? Parallel. So this wave travels parallel in the what? Direction of the disturbance or wave. So that is the two types of what? Wave under. That's the two types of wave under what? Under direction of propagation. And then we have two types of wave under medium, making it 4 types of wave.